A square and a rectangular field with measurements given in the figure. Both have same perimeter. Find which field has larger area. So this is the rectangle with length 70 meter, but we have to find, and this is the square with the side 15. Solution will be perimeter of the square is 4 into sides, which is 4 into 15. It is equal to 200. Now perimeter of rectangular field is 2 into L plus B. Since perimeter are same, 2 into L plus B is equal to 200, which is given. And now L plus B will be equal to 200 divided by this 2, it is 100. Now L is 70. 70 plus B is equal to 100. B is equal to 100 minus 70, which is 30. Now area of the square is equal to 50 into 50, which is 2500 meter square. And area of the rectangle will be 30 into 70, which is 2100 meter square. So area of the square is more than the area of the rectangular field.